Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we will be sharing with you the work from home job opportunities as well. So before we move ahead, I would like to tell you about a webinar. So we are going to conduct a free live webinar, which is going to happen tomorrow. So it is about how to stay relevant with respect to Playwright plus AI for QA. So if you want to stay relevant, if you want to be in the IT industry, if you want to continue working in the IT industry with respect to the software testing and you want to know what are the things that are there in the market, then feel free to join this particular webinar. It's free of cost. I won't be charging anything to you. At the end, feel free to ask any doubts, any questions, any queries that you have. Now let's move ahead with the job opportunities. So first of all, I'm going to share with you the CGI referrals. So uh, let me share with you. Uh, so CGI company is hiring for multiple technologies, hiring for QA, automation QA, ETL testing, software development. A lot of hiring is going on in CGI company. And in this particular thing, if you get a referral, it would give you a lot of push to your profile. So if you have 2 to 15 years of experience and you have following skill set like Java, Python, .NET, full stack, React, Azure, GCP, DevOps, cloud security, data, Databricks, ETL testing, automation testing, big data testing, feel free to go for the referral. Okay, and these are all the locations wherein the referrals would be there. Immediate joiners are preferred. So how you can apply? So you can apply by visiting this particular URL. I'll be putting all these details in the first comment of the video along with the webinar URL. So you can enroll. And then you have to search and apply for a suitable job ID there. Then submit your application directly. And if it is being asked to you, have you been referred by a CGI partner? So select yes there and enter this particular email address as a referral code, right? So post application step, after 2 or 3 days, you would get the update. And here it is written you have to DM, but don't go for DM. That's fine. They might not respond to you because they'll have a lot of messages. But what I would suggest is um, you have to add all the relevant tools, technologies. That is very important, right? So all the skills that are matching with respect to your candidature, you need to apply. Then there's a hiring going on for the positions, and you need to share your resume to this particular email address. Let me share the positions also with you. Okay. So these are all the positions. First is lead full stack .NET, then senior .NET full stack, QA automation, ETL engineer, senior Azure data engineer, Salesforce business analyst, Salesforce program manager. So all this hiring is going on. Okay. Skill set is given. They are looking for automation, playwright, TypeScript, and the location is also given. It is Noida hybrid or it can be remote as well. Next is there is a requirement for the IT professionals. It's a walk-in drive. It is for freshers with 0 to 1 year of experience. So if you are a student who has passed out in 2023, 2024, or 2025, then there's a wonderful opportunity for you. They are looking for immediate joiners, specializations in CS, IT, EC, AI, ML, DS, IoT, anything is fine, but you should have 60% and above in 10th, 12th, and graduation. And your job location is Mumbai. So this is a walk-in drive that is going to happen. Okay. Apart from that, eMed Events India is hiring. So they are hiring for software test engineer with 4+ years of experience, and the location should be Hyderabad. And they are looking for someone who has got responsibilities like someone can design and execute comprehensive test cases for web and mobile applications, perform functional regression, integration, exploratory and usability testing, things, conduct API testing using Postman, then perform database validation using SQL queries, identify, document, and track defects using QA tools. 4+ years of experience in software testing is required. Strong manual testing experience, API testing, database testing is required. So all of these things are required. Okay, and here is the email address. Then UST is hiring for performance test engineer, load runner, and performance center expert. So they are hiring for someone who can do performance testing, someone who can do performance automation. Okay, someone who has got good skill set for performance testing. So location is given Trivandrum, Kochi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Gurgaon, and they are looking for immediate joiners. So you can apply for these positions. Then there's a requirement for senior automation developer with a full-time remote opportunity, and they are looking for candidates with over 5 years of experience in Power Platforms. So 2 years of experience is required, and there's a totally remote opportunity. Cognis Solutions is looking for manual QA testing experience required is 6+ years. So you can apply for this particular position, and they are looking for someone who has got experience in Jira, API testing via Postman, SOAP UI, and someone who has got good communication skill set. You can share your CV to this email address. Okay, so these are the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we shared multiple roles with you. So feel free to apply and don't forget to book your seat tomorrow for this particular webinar, which will be happening at 8 p.m. IST. So it will be happening tomorrow, that is Friday, 20th of February, and we will be connecting for 1 hour at 8 p.m. IST, and we will be discussing about how to stay relevant in the QA industry with respect to the job market, with respect to using AI, with respect to the software testing career, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.